HF2A transfer case. Looks like the flanges either just pop out or they have to be taken out from the inside. Looks like they're going to have to be taken out from the inside. Let's see what we got here. 12 millimeters. And 14s. See if that's 1 inch. Oh, bigger than that. 1 1/8 maybe. 1 1/16. Let's see. 14's over here also. All right, 12's here. Let's see if I can just leave the linkage on there for right now. We'll have to take it off to get the seal out. Let's see if this will pop off now. We're going to have to take this apart, but I'm not going to do that until I get ready to rebuild that part of it. We got a shim here. Another shim. Shim here. I think we can leave this shield on there for right now. Let's see if this will turn. Alright, nothing on the back plate here. We do have a snap ring. Okay, I'm going to take the big one out. Okay, let's see what else will come off. Maybe we can get linkage off. Can we pry? Okay, I'm just going to leave that all together. Okay, our slider looks like the flat side faces out. Alright, our fork just came out easily. That's a good thing. Let's see. Pads look okay. We'll see if they come in the kit. Just leave that together. I think case half should just split now. Okay, should have taken the other snap ring off. come out now. Apparently not. I'm going to take the detent out. I assume that's a detent. 40 Torx. There's a spring and a ball. Okay, our forks look okay. Everything looks good in here. We just wanted it resealed, and bearings, we're going to be putting bearings on it. And this gear right here is kind of iffy. That one's kind of iffy. So all three of these here are kind of iffy. They look weird. So they may make noise. I mean, they'll work, but they may make noise. So I'm gonna let the customer know and see if he wants to replace them or if he still just wants to reseal this thing. Other than that, I think we're good. Alright, let's see what the customer wants to do, and then we'll rebuild this thing.